Sawadee Ka food adventurers. Today, we're heading to the vibrant heart of Southeast Asia, a land of spicy street food, sacred flavors, and culinary creativity that knows no limits. Welcome to Thailand, where food is a way of life, and sometimes a very surprising one. Sure, Thailand is famous for pad thai, green curry, and mango sticky rice. But if you wander off the tourist trail, you'll discover a world of weird, wild, and wonderfully unusual dishes, the kind that challenge your taste buds, raise eyebrows, and leave you wondering, did I really just eat that? So grab your sense of adventure and join me as we count down the top 10 most strange or unusual dishes in Thailand, with some spicy surprises at the end you won't want to miss. Let's get started at number 10. 10. Larb Luat Nua. Larb is a beloved Thai minced meat salad, but this version takes it to the extreme. Larb Luat Nua is made with raw beef, raw blood, and herbs, mixed with mint, chili, lime, and toasted rice powder. It's tangy, spicy, and slippery. Definitely not for the faint of heart. It's mostly found in northern provinces and eaten fresh, which also means risky. It's a dish best left to locals with strong stomachs. 9. Gungten. This one's both strange and alive. Gungten, or dancing shrimp, is made by tossing tiny live freshwater shrimp in a spicy marinade of fish, sauce, herbs, and lime. The shrimp actually jump and squirm as you eat them, hence the name. It's crunchy, zesty, and wildly popular in rural areas of northeastern Thailand, where it's a fun and festive bar snack. 8. Kai Khao. Thailand's version of balut is kai ka, a fertilized duck egg with a partially developed embryo inside. It's boiled and eaten straight from the shell, often with salt, pepper, and herbs. You might see feathers, bones, or beak, depending on how developed it is. Locals swear by its richness and health benefits, but for many outsiders, it's a one-time dare. 7. Lumu. Yes, soup made with raw pig's blood, sometimes mixed with intestines and topped with cilantro. Lumu is a dish with roots in northern Thai and Lao cultures and is considered a bold delicacy. Often eaten with sticky rice and chili flakes, it has a metallic temperature and a daring texture, and is slowly disappearing due to health concerns. 6. Jing Led. Crunchy, salty, and strangely addictive. Fried crickets or dijang led are a go-to snack in Thai markets. They're deep-fried with soy sauce, garlic, and sometimes kaffir lime leaves for extra aroma. Rich in protein, low in fat, and fun to eat. Once you get past the legs. 5. Gung Chai Mo Dang. If you've never heard of red ant eggs, you're missing out on a surprisingly gourmet experience. This soup combines red ant eggs, ant larvae, and jungle herbs in a tangy, spicy broth that's both citrusy and creamy. Served mainly in Aisan, it's prized for its fresh flavor and high protein. And yes, you can taste the ants. 4. Mopane Worms. In Thailand, silkworm pupae or nan mai are boiled or deep-fried and sold in paper cups like popcorn. The taste nutty, soft, with a slightly fishy aftertaste. High in iron and surprisingly filling, they're found in markets and schoolyards, a common snack from childhood for many locals. 3. Pla Ra. This is the fermented soul of Asian cuisine. Pla ra is made from fish fermented with rice bran and salt for months, producing a pungent, umami-rich paste. It's used in papaya salads, sauces, and soups, and its smell is unforgettable. It's fermented, funky, and fiercely flavorful. It's the backbone of many rural dishes and a true taste of the land. 2. Tadpole curry. Tadpoles may remind you of ponds and childhood science class, but in Thailand they end up in curries. Kang Kai is a spicy curry made with young frog, tadpoles, herbs, and red chili. It's popular in wet season when tadpoles are abundant. The curry is earthy, peppery, and surprisingly smooth. And at number 1, Gung Chai Nam Pla. This dish sounds simple, but is not for beginners. Raw, translucent shrimp are soaked in a cold bath of fermented fish sauce, garlic, chilies, lime juice, and wasabi. The texture is slippery, and the flavor is explosively salty, sour, and spicy. It's eaten quickly, raw, cold, and burning hot from the chilies. One bite and you'll feel the thrill of Thai street food in full force. And now that we've tasted everything from live shrimp to ant eggs, here are a few fascinating facts about Thailand's strangest dishes. Many of these foods come from Aisin, the northeastern region of Thailand, where tradition, necessity, and local ingredients shaped survival cuisine. What started as resourcefulness became culinary heritage. Fermentation, raw flavors, and textures like slime or crunch aren't considered gross. They're prized, phased. In Thai cooking, food should hit all 5 senses, and the balance of hot, sour, salty, sweet, and bitter is sacred. These dishes are often tied to seasonal eating, especially in rural villages. Tadpole curry is a monsoon dish. Red ant eggs are springtime delicacies. The calendar is your cookbook. Eating insects isn't just tradition, it's sustainability. Thailand is leading the way in edible insect innovation, with cricket farms, protein bars, and even insect-based noodles hitting the market. So, which of these wild dishes would you try first? Or which one made you say, absolutely not? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing about your food fears and food goals. If this video sparked your curiosity and your appetite for adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another bite of the world's weirdest wonders. And until next time, Cobb Kinka, be bold, be curious, and keep tasting the unexpected.